Yeah. Check my Instagram and shit. Y'all be sure to follow me, man. MRDubC9, Instagram, Twitter, all that shit, man. Hit up A-Down if you need a feature, man. Put them up before a show. What we doing?
Hop in the whip.
Yeah.
Hop in the whip. Hop in the whip.
Hop in the whip.
Let's take a trip.
Yeah.
Let's take a trip. Let's take a trip. Hey, hop in the whip. Hop in the whip. Hop in the whip. Yeah. Let's take a trip. Let's take a trip. Let's take a trip. Yeah. I'm about to hop in the whip. Cop me a zip. Light up a split. I know these niggas gon' trip. Load up a clip. 2 to the hip. After that, 2 to the head. Make sure he dead, chasing the bread, ducking the feds. It's a war song like we live in Iran. In the back of my mind, this shit keep me playing. I'm running the game, I'm running amok. Try running with me, my nigga, good luck. Cause you're gonna need it. You heard I'm the truth, but you don't believe it. My money be talking and you niggas speechless. I talk to my niggas, they never repeat it. We are them niggas, don't make me repeat it. We never defeated, you never could see us. I got a problem with authority, cause I don't like to listen to nobody but my granny. Lord knows I miss you. He told me grind hard, so I'm on a mission. Hop in my Impala, rev up the engine. Hop in the wheel.
We out of here, man, you know what I'm saying? Picked up shot it.
Till next time.
I this bitch, you hear me? 3, 4 titties and I said that. Street action, 4 G's. Got the 214.
About to kill this.
I'm big shit, boy. Get your diapers, man.
Hey, the furry dice though.
Yeah, we out here, man. Another day, another show, man. We just killed this bitch for Flip Gates, man. Game over 2. Tour, nigga. We out here, man. Denison, Texas. It's been real. Take my ass to the crib, man. You know what I'm talking about? Shit. Some dance music.
Never just fun in the
Fuck y'all got playing.
Hey, turn that back up. That's what you be listening to? That's what that nigga really be listening to, huh?
Wait.
What? So now you one of them K. Michelle ass niggas, huh?
Hey, man.
Is that what you is, nigga?
I like to
Nah, nigga,
I like to ease my mind. I like to ease my mind after a show. So,
nigga, y'all heard it. Y'all heard it. Y'all heard it right here.
man, look. We out here, man. I don't know where
I
y'all
don't know, bro. I don't know.
But we out here.
You looking real unfamiliar right now, nigga. Real unfamiliar.
Ain't no new
The nigga looking real unfamiliar right now.
Y'all see it? Ain't no new
looking
niggas.
unfamiliar.
Ain't no new niggas around me.
I don't know, man.
Now, let me put this shit in the GPS so we can get home.
I don't know his way around that.
Nigga, you know how far we are from the crib, nigga.
That nigga was
Bro,
about to say, we in motherfucking Denison, goddamn Texas.
They want to pull me over, bro.
Oh, man.
But yeah, man, it's been real, man. This shit getting crazy, man. Lots of, man. If you ain't got it, go get it, man. Lots of. Feature Fat Pimp and Lil Flip, man. Two of my big partners.